Morning, y'all. I'm gonna take a little ride down a street here in Key Largo. It's not one of the better looking streets, but I just want to hear how exotic it sounds down here with all the wildlife. And we'll take a little trip. Excuse me for the bumpy ride, but this is my first video while filming trying to ride a bike. So here we go. On the right side of me, I'll try to pan around. That's just mangrove swamp from the water, so really nothing to see there. But on this side, it gets pretty exotic, so maybe all the birds will make a noise or something. I hope so. I have a cool looking house. That awesome or what? That's just a little taste of the Florida Keys for you. And I'm right out of breath because this is the only hill in the Florida Keys is to get up to the bridge. Trust me, it's flat. The elevation's only about 2 to 6 feet above sea level. So now I gotta shut this off because, you know, I can't walk and chew gum at the same time, and I certainly can't do a video and try to cross a major highway like the overseas highway, trying to do the same thing. So we'll be back.